It's Chris Appleton. Now, we need some good quarantine hair going on for these Zoom meetings. No one wants to spend a lot of time. Everyone wants great hair really quick. So I'm going to show you exactly how to get it. I'm going to show you how to go from this to this in just a few simple steps. So what we're going to do is take this long kind of flat head of hair, which most people can relate to, and really up the volume. So what you're going to need for the first step is this Colorwell Raise the Root. This is going to transform the texture of your hair really quick. Honestly, Raise the Root does all of the work for me. So I've already sprayed it through the roots and I put a lot through. I'm going to hit it one more time on the lengths and ends. Next, we're going to take a round brush. We're going to take the whole front section of this hair and wrap it around without any pop. So literally wrap it around towards the root. This is what we call the money piece. It's going to transform volume and really give you that 3D effect. Next step's really easy. All you need is a hairdryer. We're going to hit this brush with heat for about 10 seconds. Take the hair out once it's cooled. So I usually leave it for 5 to 10 seconds. Take the hair out, and what you should get is this kind of thing going on. So you want to get a good amount of volume. Now this is really nice and face framing. Effectively, whatever style you do, it makes everything look effortless. So you get all of this beautiful volume around the front. You see the rest of the hair looks a bit lank. You could literally just take the rest of the hair back, put it in like a cute little ponytail or a pin. When you've got the volume here and this frames the shape of the face, you can see it just makes everything feel more sexy. You can kind of flip it over as well and get something going on there. You can really play with that shape. I like it in the middle, and what I'm going to do next is show you how to make the rest of the hair blend and look super very quickly. But this is the most important part of anything when you're doing a Zoom meeting, is that sexiness at the front. So hitting it with a 1 minute transformation, 10 seconds of heat. Voila. So we're going to use this magic potion called the 1 minute transformation cream. This is Colorwell's 1 minute transformation. This literally transforms any texture of hair. It's amazing stuff. It really nourishes the cuticle of the hair. I guess just like 60 seconds, you can really transform textures. I use this when I don't have a lot of time for blow drying, when I need to create a look and don't have a lot of time. So a small amount goes a long way. I'm just using a pea-sized amount, super moisturizing. So what you should get is something that looks like this. So the 1 minute transformation, it gives it a great shine but still keeps the volume in the hair. This is the final look. So as you can see, really volumized, kind of sexily well conditioned looking hair. It just looks beautiful, it moves nicely. It's got a nice shape in it, but really, really easy. Like I said, you can simply just take the rest of the hair if you wanted to. Just put it back and it looks really effortless. You can move the hair around, but that's how you get quick, easy volume with the 1 minute transformation. You can see how it literally transforms the texture of hair. And I don't think, sexy volumized hair really that much. All right guys, hope you picked up some quick tricks and little tips. They're ones that I use, which make a big difference for me. For me, product is a really easy way of getting a great hairstyle and cuts down so much time. Let me know how you get on. I'd love to see you in your post. Tag me in your post. Take care guys and be safe.